Life skills, learning through everyday experiences. At Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool, every moment is an opportunity for our baby shark tank to learn essential life skills through fun, hands-on activities. Today, our little friends in World Class explored simple daily life skills that help them become more independent and confident. Through guided practice, the children learned how to complete small tasks with care, responsibility, and joy. Little Jolly listened carefully to the teacher's instructions and completed each step with patience, showing wonderful concentration and confidence. Little Hammy eagerly participated in every activity, smiling proudly after finishing each task independently. Every success encouraged Hammy to keep trying new challenges. Little Traingle carefully observed, imitated the teacher's movements, and practiced each skill step by step, developing coordination and problem-solving abilities. Little Mina happily explored each activity with curiosity, learned to organize materials neatly, and celebrated every achievement with a bright smile. Why are life skills important for young children? Because life skills help children build independence, develop responsibility, learn cooperation and sharing, improve concentration and confidence, prepare for everyday challenges with positive habits. Dear parents, what life skill is your child practicing at home these days? Share your experience in the comments below and let Baby Shark know. Only at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool. Our children are proudly called the Baby Shark Tank. Let the baby come. Cause the Kingdom of Baby Shark Preschool belongs to them. High-quality international early childhood education for a sustainable future. Baby Shark Preschool, a wonderful place for every child. Hotline 82-6822.161. D908 The Manhattan, Vin Homes Grand Park, Verdip City. Hashtag Mamnambabirk, hashtag Baby Shark Preschool, hashtag Life Skills, hashtag World Class, hashtag Independent Kids, hashtag Fun Learning, hashtag Preschool Life, hashtag Early Childhood Education, hashtag Baby Shark.